Dried food rations. Add water to beef-flavored square. Hello? Hello?
Oh God, it was horrible.
What happened?
The meteor struck the Earth sooner than I predicted. There was no time.
What about my parents? Did you see them?
There was mass confusion, panic. People were crawling all over each other in the streets. It was awful. Then it hit. Millions were evaporated instantly. The rest of us walking around in a cloud of toxic radiation.
Oh my God,